My name is Ken Long. I happen to be the chairperson of the Adelaide Sustainable Building Network. All right, first up, we have the man, the myth, the legend, Dr. Martin Freeney, Mr. South Australia, Australia, Earthships, and a man that we all love dearly. Yes, welcome to the stage, Martin Freeney.
Okay, so I'm going to talk you through the Earthship design principles and try to show you 3 Earthships that are open on Sustainable House Day. Start with my place, built back in 2000. It's a Schaus shed, became a straw bale house. So I'm a big fan of straw bale architecture. This isn't working, Ken. Yes, it is. That's my composting toilet, something that I think is super sustainable and should be in more homes. These are the books that inspired me to go learn about Earthships. I travelled to America to meet Michael Reynolds, the pioneer of Earthships, and he was really interested in building with waste materials because that dramatically reduces the amount of embodied energy in the construction stage of the building. So principle number 1 from Mike Reynolds is building with natural and recycled materials. And we pack earth into tyres. That's earth from site. We don't have to haul it in. That's what 56 million tyres looks like. That's what we create every year in Australia. Are you doing the changes or am I? Okay, go. Go again. So this is testing we did at UniSA to show that these walls are really earthquake resilient. Hit it. We also upcycle bottles in really beautiful, creative ways. Get it? So actually, can I do this one, Ken? So it all starts in the greenhouse. Hot air accumulates in that north-facing sunroom, exits through a window, and that naturally draws air in through underground cooling tubes, which cools down the air as it flows through those underground pipes, leading to nice indoor temperatures. So that earth berm at the back and those earth tubes, kind of unusual design features, but we managed to fit them on a suburban block down at Goolwa. And also this idea of a buffer zone that sort of protects those living spaces from what's going on outside leads to really good, stable, comfortable indoor temperatures. So principle number 3 is renewable energy, battery storage, being off-grid, being self-sufficient. Principle 4 is water collection, and this is actually a rainwater tank at my place made out of car tyres. It's lined with a big plastic bag. Principle number 5 is using plants to treat wastewater. So that garden you see there is irrigated by water from the shower, the washing machine, grey water. So to me that's a lot better than using electricity and chemicals to deal with wastewater. And then that leads to creating food and beauty, flowers and herbs and whatnot in your sunroom or greenhouse. So I got super excited about Earthships, as you can tell, and I did my PhD at the University of Adelaide with these 2 legends in thermal performance, Terry and Veronica, and I wanted to sort of understand how green is the Earthship in terms of some of these unusual construction methods and the off-gridness of Earthships. And this is some of my findings. On the left is the off-grid system versus the grid. You can see it's a lot more ecological to have a tank and a pump and some filters compared to all the concrete monstrosity you see up there top right. And the same held true for the wastewater system, much more ecological. And same with the energy system, not quite as dramatic difference, but still more ecological. Those batteries and panels really work well, even compared to our quite green grid in Adelaide, which has got a lot of wind power. So one of the other things I did as part of my PhD was start measuring the performance of buildings with loggers. And these are some results from Western Australia, showing a really hot summer day, 41 degrees, 32 in the greenhouse, and 23 inside the building. This is with no aircon. And then in the winter, 3 degrees outside, 25, does that say? And then 21 and a half inside. So this is This is actually beyond 10 stars, everyone. This is like 11 stars. This is no energy, staying within that comfort zone. This is my Earthship, open once again on Sustainable House Day. Just a tiny little demo Earthship. There's a lot of earth. One of the reasons it's called an Earthship is there's earth everywhere. So this earth floor replaces a lot of concrete, a lot of carbon emissions. The greenhouse is this multifunctional corridor that's kind of good for your mental health. It produces oxygen, sequesters carbon, treats grey water, buffers outdoor temperatures, all sorts of wonderful things. Come check it out. There's the bedroom, the everything room. It's got a kitchen there. There's the roof. I love this roof because it's really bushfire resilient. So earth roofs, I would say, are the absolute gold standard for bushfire resilience. There's the bathroom, beautiful bottle wall. There's Mike Reynolds leading the first workshop, and there is Brett Aylen.
Hey.
And then this is the other one, Earthship Goolwa. It's in Goolwa, and it's got all the usual Earthship goodies: the sunroom to the north, the earth berm to the back with all the cooling tubes shown there in blue into all the rooms. Tire wall at the back. This one's got straw bale walls at each end, so it can fit on a small suburban block. There are the volunteers who come from all over Australia to learn how to build in this way. You can see the earth tubes. You can see these are actually straw bale waffle pods instead of polystyrene. Bit of earth rendering going on over the tire wall and the straw bale wall. There's the finished building. The fireplace is not needed. Gets used for fun a couple of times each winter. Straw bale wall, cat, essential for a sustainable home. Bottle wall, perhaps not. There's Amy, the happy owner. Came in on her loose budget and got done pretty quick throughout COVID. Minimal running costs, of course, is the promise with an off-grid building. Yeah, you can see Amy on YouTube. And this is one of my latest projects down at Willunga, also open virtually on Sustainable House Day. That is there in all its glory, and that is it. 7 minutes 22, sorry about that. Too many slides.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Earl.